The $110 million Canadian Boeing investment in Quebec's Espace Aéro, Canada's P-8A Poseidon procurement. Boeing's $110 million Canadian investment in Quebec's Espace Aéro, announced in autumn 2025, is a catalytic moment for Canada's aerospace sector. Tied to the Royal Canadian Air Force's P-8A Poseidon procurement and Canada's industrial and technological benefits policy, the commitment is more than corporate capital. It is a strategic lever to accelerate R&D, scale suppliers, and position Quebec as a global hub for sustainable and autonomous aviation. Canada's purchase of up to 16 P-8A Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft under the Canadian Multi-Mission Aircraft Program reshaped the opportunity set for domestic industrial participation. The contract's ITB obligations require suppliers to deliver business value inside Canada equivalent to the contract price, creating explicit incentives for investment, technology transfer, and local jobs. Boeing's broader ITB pledge, distributed across the country over a multi-year horizon, designated Quebec as a priority beneficiary, setting the stage for the Espace Aéro funding commitment. Anatomy of the $110 million Canadian commitment. Research infrastructure and equipment. The largest share finances build-out of laboratories, shared test beds, and specialized equipment inside Espace Aéro, creating the physical capacity required for high-value R&D. Decarbonization and autonomy. Project's funds are earmarked for sustainable aviation fuels, hydrogen and electric propulsion, recyclable materials, and autonomy programs including piloting platforms and certification activities. Supply chain and SME development. Investment supports Aéro Montreal's MOC initiative to audit and upgrade supplier performance, finance certification pathways, and accelerate SME scaling to meet global primes requirements. Skills and collaborative spaces. A dedicated collaborative aerospace and mobility innovation center will co-locate industry, academia, and government to shorten innovation cycles and develop a pipeline of high-value technicians, engineers, and researchers. The provincial government is matching a portion of this funding to catalyze initial operations. Espace Aéro, design and strategic rationale. Espace Aéro is a provincially backed, three-hub innovation zone designed as an ecosystem rather than a single campus. Its mission is to marshal industry, research institutions, and public partners to deliver decarbonized and autonomous aviation solutions and to attract global collaboration. Montreal Hub. Montreal is the knowledge and coordination core, hosting universities, research institutes, major primes, and the Collaborative Aerospace and Mobility Innovation Center. Mirabel Hub. Mirabel focuses on large-scale and virtual testing for autonomy and drone systems, manufacturing, maintenance, and recycling, making it the prototyping and validation node. Longueuil Hub. Longueuil concentrates on technical education, applied R&D, and manufacturing readiness, linking institutions such as ENA and CTA with manufacturers and component suppliers. This tripartite structure intentionally covers the full value chain from foundational science to certification and commercial operations. Boeing's $110 million Canadian investment in Quebec's Espace Aéro is a strategic use of ITB-driven capital that aligns private objectives with province-level industrial ambition. By funding research infrastructure, decarbonization, and autonomy projects, and supplier development, the commitment accelerates an ecosystem that spans research, prototyping, certification, and manufacturing. If implementation manages the outlined risks, particularly around workforce, certification, and benefit diffusion, Espace Aéro can be a replicable model for 21st-century industrial policy, place-based, collaborative, and oriented around sustainable technological transitions. The payoff will be measured not only in jobs and GDP but in the region's ability to export knowledge, standards, and products that define the future of aviation.